If you're not creating content for your business, you are left behind and you are losing a lot of potential clients. When you create content, you allow your clients to see your products or whatever your service you are selling, and they'll be potentially interested in buying whatever you're offering. So that's why content creation is one of the pillars of your business. And I want to actually on my side to automate a part of my content creation using AI, and I'll be showing you the videos that I have created using my avatar and how many views I got from them. So let's get to it and let's start. So as you can see here, guys, this is my YouTube channel, and as you can see, I'm pretty small for now and I'm trying to get bigger. But so just to let you know, what I'm creating using AI lately is shorts. So what I'm doing is I'm basically taking whatever news they are there. For example, here the news that I got is Google partnership with Apple, and that's the video that I just actually posted yesterday. So as a small kind of I would say small channel, I got already 154 views, and this one I just posted it like 1 hour ago. So if we see it,
For its next gen series. In recent discussions, Apple approached Google about building a custom AI model based on Google Gemini.
So as you can see, it's a pretty simple video. So what I have done is I've actually added a picture of whatever the subject is, and I've put it my avatar just beneath it. And this is like an MVP 0. And what I'm trying to do when I'm always building something, I'm going in a very kind of simple manner, and I'm actually going further a little bit brick by brick and getting the product more valuable, I would say, and more enriched. So that's my advice for me. Like I've been building this kind of stuff for already 6 years now, and yeah, so just do step by step and like go from the start slowly, and you can add up bricks. Don't try to do everything at the start because you will get overwhelmed and you will get a lot of problems, and that's not what we would like to have. Just get something MVP, so minimum viable product. And what MVP means is that actually it delivers something, it gives some value. So for me, the value is I've created this kind of video and I've posted it and I got some views from it. Okay, so later on I'll probably go even further and get more results and more enrichment to the video. For example, I have some ideas that I can actually get more, I would say, images here, and I'll be sliding them in a way that it explains whatever I'm saying. You see what I mean? So that's something that I'll be actually trying to do in the future in my next MVP, and I'll be sharing with you guys this kind of things. So now I'll be just moving forward with the with the N8N flow. So the N8N flow, it's kind of also architecture kind of mindset. You should think about the tools that you're using. So the most tools that you'll be using is so APIs, so services that are already existing. For example, here I'm using Firecrawl, but you can use other tools, and you check the tools that are available. So I first check tools like Travely and also Brave, and the most important, I would say the most relevant one that got out from all of this is the Firecrawl. Okay, so that's the tool that I found more, I would say, relevant between the others. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm using RSS feed, which is News Google RSS, and I'm actually getting the URL of, for example, the last one that I've used is the Banana Gemini, and I've chosen actually one of the subjects or one of the articles that I have found about banana, and I got the link, and I used that link using Firecrawl. So Firecrawl will actually get whatever the content of the article, and I use an AI agent that will actually get the information of the article, and based on that I will get as an output the title, the description, and the text script that will be saying. Okay, so my avatar will be saying for me. Then what I will do is I will call Heygen. So if you don't know Heygen is actually a service that creates your avatars. So you basically give it a video of yourself that you're talking for 1 minute. I find 1 minute is pretty more relevant than giving it just 30 seconds. But for me, I just give it the 30 seconds just to move on and get quickly with things. But you can see here, it gets you a video like this, okay? So it gets you a video like this where I'm talking about any subject based on the script that I've given. And then later on, I get the video status, and I'm just waiting a little bit because it takes some time to create that video and to generate it. And later on, I'm getting the captions. So when I'm getting the captions, I'll be using it later on, okay? I'll be explaining why I got the captions here. I get it also from the Heygen, so I don't have to actually transcribe whatever I'm saying in the video, because I got this as a feature that already integrated in Heygen that I'll be using directly. So I'm getting it from here, and then later on I'm doing a Brave search. So this Brave search actually allows you to search images and videos that already exist in the internet, and you can use them for your videos. Okay, so that's the picture that I just put in here on the top, and I'm using actually Brave search directly, and I'm using that picture on the top. So replicate video merging and replicate video. This is also about architecture. So I actually use a service, which is a replicate service, that I've integrated my code into it, that allows me actually to take that image and put it on the top, and take that video and put it on the bottom. This actually, I'll be sharing it in my Skool community, so you can find actually how I have done it and how I've merged the two image and the video, and how I've actually written the transcription in the middle. But you can also use the same service. It's a public kind of service, so you can use it. Just let me see. Yeah. So you can find the service actually here. So it's me who developed it, and it's called Merge Videos. Okay. You can find it. It's public, and you can use it. So this is the actually replicate merge video. Then I'm getting actually the video from the service, and then later on what I'm doing is I'm creating a thumbnail. Okay, so this feature I'm not actually integrating it today in my videos, but I'll be doing it later on. And what I'm doing actually with this feature is I'm creating a thumbnail that I'll be adding to the short. So whatever, actually, when you get to my YouTube channel and when you will click to shorts, you will not see this image, but you will see the thumbnail. Okay, so that's what I'm planning to do in MVP1. And yeah, and then later on just download the image, and I'll be integrating it in that service that I showed you here in Replicate. So that will actually add it up to the video in the first section. But that actually in the next videos, so just subscribe to the channel, because in the next videos I will be actually showing how I have updated the this flow, and how also I'll be also kind of giving you access to this, so you can do it yourself and you can create content as much as possible for yourself. Okay, so based on what I have done here, normally you can go to the Skool community and you will find this flow in the Skool community. You can use it, you can ask me whatever problems you have with it, and I'll be happily trying to answer whatever question you have in the Skool community messages. Okay, so yeah, then later on what I'm doing is I'm just downloading the video to YouTube. For now I'm using YouTube, but later on I'll be also creating an Instagram and TikTok, and I'll be sharing the AI news, and also I'm trying to be kind of a ahead of the curve, whatever news, and get into it. Okay, great. So I hope you liked the video, and this video, well, I would say it was like a normal video when I'm just talking to you guys. There will not be a lot of edits. I'm trying to kind of create more content, so it's going to be, I would say, not that much edited. I know that edited videos work well and works better, but I'm trying to be myself and try to create as much content as possible. So I'll not be trying to edit that much the videos, but don't hesitate to subscribe, because I'm trying to give as much as value as I can, and don't hesitate to join the community and see you there, and I'll try to answer any questions that you have. Introduce yourself to the community, and yeah, see you guys, and see you in the next video.